Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix your Instagram filters. So without wasting any time, let's get into this video. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your Instagram. Then after it's quite slow because I'm recording. Okay guys, once you get to your Instagram, as you can see guys, there's a lot of filters here guys. As you can see, we have different kinds of filters. Let's say your filters are giving you problems, you can't use them properly. So that simply means you have to go to your Play Store. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your Play Store first. If your Instagram filters are giving you problems, just gonna go to your Play Store or Apple Store. Then after, you're just gonna click on search. Then after you click on search, you're just gonna type in Instagram. Then what you're gonna do is, you see here where it's written open. It's gonna be, if your Instagram is old, then you're gonna have to update your Instagram. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on update. It's gonna be written update. Here where it says open, it's gonna be written update. What you're gonna do is you're gonna update your Instagram. Then after you update your Instagram will be updated. Then it's gonna be working perfectly fine. Then second thing that can be the problem is maybe Instagram is down. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Google, click on Google. Then after, just type in here on search. You can just type in is Instagram down today? Yes, you can just type in there. Then after here, you're just gonna click here on the first thing here. This thing sometimes Instagram can be down, so it takes roughly like 24 hours to 30 hours. Then it's gonna be perfectly working fine. So you can just check if Instagram is down. As you can see guys, there's no any problem showing that the Instagram is down. If there was a problem, then there's gonna be some long lines here happening, but there's none. There's no long lines happening here. So guys, as you can see, my Instagram is working perfectly fine. The Instagram is not down today. It's actually up, and my app is updated. So that's how you check, that's how you fix your Instagram filters, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. This thing applies for Android and it also applies for iPhones. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more videos like this.